Hi, I thought I'd show you another use for the sIBL collection that I've made that I found quite handy. Is if you don't have to just use them for the environment skies, as I showed you in the first tutorial here. What we can also do is use them just for the light and for the reflections. So I've made this molecule. The client of mine wanted it to be on a white background. So what I've done, if you load in the sIBL loader and select this car park image here, I'm using V-Ray, so make sure all the options are clicked and apply the preset. First thing to do is rotate it so it's in the right kind of direction for you. I wanted to use this bright light coming in, so it's going to be roughly this position. When you're using the sIBL sets here in V-Ray, it's best to copy the location in the attributes here, and in the render settings, go to your environment channels and make sure that the background here also is in the same position. Otherwise, what you're seeing in the viewport won't actually be what you're getting from the render. So without loading anything else in, I'll do a quick test render for you. See, that's quite nice, but it just needs a bit of direction. So I'm just going to add a area light here. So as you can see, just a big soft area light pointing at the molecule. Do a test render. Not bad at all, but the reflection's a bit too bright and a bit too sharp, I think. So I'm just going to adjust a couple of things here. We go back into V-Ray and go to the color mapping. I can add the burn value or reduce the burn value down to about 0.7, and we can change the reflection in the environment channels down to, on the multiplier, just reduce that down to about 0.7. Maybe blur it out at about 10%. Let's give that a try. That looks better already, definitely. So when I added the area light, that just came in at a value of 1, and that's balanced to the default light values already in the sIBL sets. So you can see how easy it is just to take a simple model and add a photorealistic result to it just by adding the sIBL loader, loading in the preset and just clicking render.